Hi traders and welcome to a live trading session. My name is Nenad and today, as you can see, we are actually having a nice trading webinar. First trade here, you can see buy trade GBP dollar. We are in a buy position 28.72 to 28.50 is the zone for taking entries. This is Camarilla MACD trade. Actually, I went even a little bit lower on my other account because this trade has been carrying carried over from London session. Okay, so here you can see we are in a buy position. The GBP dollar. You can go with a smaller entry if you're already in a trade. Then you need to actually follow it because a stop loss is placed exactly at 28.20. Possible target is 29.90 on 4-hour time frame. So let's see. GBP dollar is rejecting. This candle is a very strong outside candle. It ate all previous candles here. You can see this previous candle, and this is a sign that bulls are having domination. So guys, I think in my opinion this is really a long trading opportunity. Okay, so once more, GBP dollar buy trade. Final target is for intraday trades 29.40. For intraday trades, potentially it can go even to 30 because there is a big confluence here with weekly H5 overshot plus 81, and this is the next confluence level. And if this candle closes above the weekly H3, and here it is 28.78, we will definitely go more to the upside. Yeah, and also guys, euro dollar has the chance to go further up because it's this could be a counter trend trade opportunity based on this triple bottom. My opinion is that also euro dollar can go up. Stops should be placed a little bit lower. Okay, so currently, as I'm saying, GBP dollar trade running a live trade here. You can see it's going up. Okay, and we can I think that we can actually we will potentially see a nice momentum to the upside, depending guys now if you want to scalp, if you want to take an intraday position, if you want to take a swing position. It's always like that. So you have three ways to trade. Even if you trade on 4-hour time frame, you can treat your trades as a scalp trades. You can treat it as an intraday position. You can treat it as a swing. For scalp trades, ideally you need to zoom lower to, let's say, 15-minute time frames. I use my own methods, guys. So okay, this is what I use, and see where 15 minutes is. If this breaks this, then we could actually see 29.25. So I would definitely leave. Even if it's a scalp trade, you see big head and shoulders here, we leave the trade. If it's intraday position, then you go also with higher targets. 29.09 also here is good for intraday position. Also some nice diving board. This pattern is called diving board. Okay, you see this is diving board. Okay, bang, and shoots up, complete V-shaped reversal or diving board. And of course 4-hour time frame, guys. Also it's going up. It's very important that the close of the candle on 4-hour time frame should be above Camarilla levels, especially above weekly H3. So if the price closes above weekly H3, if it makes a close above this level, we will know that. I mean, then the price will definitely go further to the upside. As I'm saying, it depends how you treat the trade. If you enter the position immediately when I said, then you could make some 5-6 pip scalp. If you're already in a trade based on possible rejections, then treat it possibly as an intraday or swing position. Euro dollar, okay, also guys, this could be an actually on 1-hour time frame. This could be and it is actually a counter trend trading opportunity. We have divergence here, guys. Okay, so I am gonna make a small trade here. You see divergence, okay, here and there. Okay, and we are gonna buy 0.50. We need to go with a small risk. 0.50 lots. Stop loss should be placed at 130. Include always 2 to 5 pips plus the spread. So stop loss is 30.72. Potential target 1460 here, okay? 1460 here, okay. So this is our buy trade also on euro dollar. And the presumption for this trade is divergence, bullish divergence, price going above 3.8 Mare Mat. And also it's actually making, you can see it here on 4-hour time frame, guys. It is a triple bottom here. On 1-hour time frame, guys, it's actually, you see divergence also with a sort of triple bottom. So yeah, smaller scale on euro dollar. Definitely do not risk much on euro dollar because this is a counter trend trade opportunity, okay? So we are gonna make, you need to of course make your decision when you see the opportunity, and I think this could be, well, anywhere from 1390 to 1400. Small stop is 1372, so yeah, I think it could be worth the risk. Okay, other potential trades, I would leave it. Otherwise, would not actually trade now at this point. GBP dollar is a swing trade on my charts. So swing trade, okay, this is a 4-hour time frame. We need to go there, 4-hour time frame, okay, GBP dollar. You see a lot of rejections. This was caused by Brexit news, Brexit announcements, guys. But the pair has been bought into. So that is why I think that on a swing perspective, this could go much more to the upside, guys, okay? Especially if it breaks a trend line, okay, this trend line here, okay, this will be additional signal for a trade here to proceed to the upside. But 4-hour time frame, you need to be patient for a trade to develop, guys, on 4-hour time frame, okay? So 2 trades, GBP dollar. My original entry was 28.45. I scaled out on my other account. On this account, 28.72.73 is good entry. You can also, guys, enter lower. Stop loss is 28.20. Final target for a swing trade is 30.00. Few pips here and there, of course, and intraday target is 29.40. Again, depends what you want. You always take account the risk. Your stop loss is dynamic and your risk is fixed. So if your stop loss is 50 pips, just see your account and let's say use 1% of risk. If your stop loss is 150 pips, same thing, guys, just smaller lot size, and the risk should be the same, 1.50 or 1%, okay? So yeah, euro dollar, okay, GBP dollar, euro dollar is a counter trend trade, okay? Counter trend trade, a smaller risk, half of a risk, okay? And possibly this could go up. This is downtrend, but guys, if the price gets there, we should be ready to short it, okay? So this is a clear counter trend trade here, and the GBP dollar is trend trade swing, okay? If you have any questions, of course, feel free to ask me, okay? There should be maybe some more opportunities also, but do not overextend your risk. Dollar CAD. Yeah, you see dollar CAD is going down. We actually don't have a trade here. The Australian dollar, yeah, this is also counter trend trade, but it already is going up. This could have been a trade for some 20 pips. This also could have been a trade for some 15, but you see the ATR is very small, 71 pip only. Now this is a chance probably for Australian dollar also to proceed further to the upside. Dollar yen rejecting from resistance, nothing to trade here. Dollar CAD, guys, it should actually close back with a reversal candle in order for us to make a trend trade, okay? Let's scan it more. Euro, Australian dollar. Yeah, this could be a sell. Indeed, guys, this could be a small sell trade. Euro Australian dollar, you see. Yeah, but we already have a buy position on euro dollar here, so I would actually wait to see if euro dollar will actually, because of the correlation, if euro dollar goes up, we can take profits and then we can short euro Australian dollar. So yeah, I would wait with this trade. Just we need to wait. This is a signal you see for a short trade, but we are in a counter trend trade, so I'm not mixing it up. And we have GBP dollar long. I'm already at full risk here, so I won't be taking more trades until I close one of those guys. But also, guys, have in mind that euro dollar is a short trade opportunity, and stops should be placed for this trade just slightly above this. So I would say 59.25. And always include the spread to your stop loss. Never, guys, forget to add the spread to your stop loss. Never, ever. Okay, so let's wait and see. If euro dollars somehow manages to spike up, have in mind, guys, counter trend trade possibilities are always taken with half of a risk. So if this manages to shoot up, I would close the trade, okay? And then I will enter euro Audi short. But now you see, I was right. I mean, euro Audi is a short, but euro dollar now is pushing it up because of the correlation, guys, okay? That is why you always need to follow correlations. It's very important. Okay, let's wait and see. I mean, it's always interesting to see how the price will develop. Okay, you see now I'm getting an alert for the euro yen. I just need to check the euro yen. Yeah, also, yeah, but I'm not selling it definitely now because this is a signal. But my assessment as a trader is that this is not a reversal candle. So this is a signal based on Bollinger Bands on Murray Mat at T89, but it's not reversal candle. So I will skip this. Either way, I would skip this. I would wait to see if euro dollar somehow manages to break and go. If it goes there, guys, it would be awesome because this is a shorting opportunity then. But then again, patience is always needed. Okay, always needed for possible setups. GBP dollar, my original entry was 30 to 40. 40 to 50. The add-on entry for the 4-hour time frame, 28.72. A swing trading opportunity. So this could take some time to develop, but then again, it's a risky one because, guys, it's a GBP pair, right? And euro dollar also, guys. Yeah, I mean, it would be good that it goes up because then I will open a euro Australian dollar short when I take the profit from euro dollar long. But yeah, we need to wait, definitely. I mean, this should go up. You see, guys, this is all reversal patterns and divergence, and it's 3.8, it's 2.8. I mean, in my opinion, it's a bit oversold, and I don't see point in shorting the support. I would always go counter trend on support, not shorting it. Even though if I'm wrong, I would not do it. I mean, many times in my career, when price was going down, okay, when I was a new trader, I thought, okay, this is great, now I will short it. Well, sometimes it works out, but many times it just springs above, bounces, and I lose a trade. So I won't be doing it, okay? Yeah, so this is basically it. Other pairs, except for Euro Audi, I wouldn't trade now anything except for possible trade on Euro Audi. It's still being, rejected from this one. The entry should have been actually here. So the entry is 58.71 to 81. But I'm waiting to see what will happen with euro dollar. If it hits my stop loss, I guess that euro Audi will still be somewhere here. Then I will short a euro Australian dollar. If it goes there, I will close the trade anywhere between 14.30 and 14.60, depending on momentum. And then I might opt for shorting the euro Audi. If we short euro Audi, okay, guys, if we short euro Audi, let's say around this spot again, 59.30 should hold, because above 59.30 there is your stop loss. 59.35 if you short it from this spot. If you short it from this spot, your stop loss is 25. So yeah, you see now it's going down, but we are already here and we are already in the GBP dollar. Yeah, you see still being this diving board still being rejected from this spot. It needs to close above this trend line and VKH3 in order for the pair to proceed further to the upside. If you have any other questions, guys, feel free to ask. Have in mind that this is my opinion. Everything you see here is my personal opinion only, and have in mind that Forex is a risky market and this is not advice to trade. Just read it as my trading idea, and if you agree with me, then do whatever you want to do, but this is my personal opinion only, and past results are not subject, of course, for future results, and they cannot be taken as a guarantee for a future result. Have in mind, it's always like that. But anyway, guys, you can always check my fxbook.com. My account that I trade on my Telegram channel is also there, so you can always check it and see how it performs. I'm a full-time trader and I don't have anything to hide. Usually, you know, people who do those live seminars, webinars, whatever, where is their my FX book? Why don't they show the profile to traders? It's okay, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month ratio, a year, whatever, guys. Just show it to traders, guys. The recent results. It doesn't matter even if you lose. It doesn't mean that if you lose that you're a bad trader. It simply does that you're taking a bigger risk than you should have. And people are simply afraid of that. They want to trade, but they're afraid of trading because someone will tell them they're not good traders if they are in a loss. It's not true. They can be good traders with just who need a better money management, risk management. Because, guys, you're effectively trading the risk in markets. Okay, you're effectively trading the risk, and everything is based on your risk. The holy grail in Forex trading is risk management, guys. Believe me. So you don't have to hide anything. So let's sum it all up. GBP 4-hour trade. Original entry 28.45, add-on 28.72, stop loss 28.20, target, final target 30.00, intraday target 29.40, scalping target 29, let's say 29.20 or whatever. Euro dollar, guys, or I would go with scalping, even though I would say that this could be a scalping also target 29.83, because price needs to break this double top here in order to proceed further up. But this is based on 4-hour time frame. Euro dollar, guys, 14.00, 13.90 entry, 13.72 final stop, including the spread. Final target is 14.60, but it could be also lower based on momentum. You can scale out around 14.30 if it gets there, and you can close it completely here if it makes a reversal candle, guys. Also watch Euro Australian dollar, because Euro Australian dollar might also reverse again. If Euro dollar starts to reverse, Euro Australian dollar will probably reverse again based on correlation. That is positive. So let's see what will happen, guys. These two trades I'm running, so let's wait. I don't see any questions. That means that everything is clear. Always risk up to 5% total per day if you're a professional trader. If you're a novice trader, my advice don't risk more than 2% overall, guys. So usually 0.5 per trade or 1% per trade total risk. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to sign up, okay? Don't forget to sign up, okay? Live Forex trading, guys, okay? I will give you the link right away, okay? This is it. Don't forget to sign up for new webinars, educational webinars, trading webinars, and let's see if we will make money from these trades. I wish you a great trading day. Be careful with trades, and as always, trade safe. Cheers.